Do you want to make your site's text really stand out? Well, the Text Halftone Effects widget from WDesign Kit's Pro plan has got you covered. With this tool, you can add awesome backgrounds, dot effects and gradients to your text in just a few clicks. Plus, it's super easy to set up with Elementor and perfect for giving your titles or any text element that creative artistic touch. So, let's not waste any more time and quickly dive into exploring how we can make our texts pop. The widget we will be using here is offered by WDesign Kit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We will discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor, and we will also need WDesign Kit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, WDesign Kit. Simply click on Install Now. Then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance. And here, as you can notice, I'm using Nexter theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with WDesign Kit. Simply come here and click on WDesign Kit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written Don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will get to see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widget, so come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widgets. Now search Text Halftone. Here it is, Text Halftone Effects for Elementor. Now, as you can notice, it's a Pro widget. So, if you want to download and make use of it, we will have to upgrade this WDesign Kit plugin to its Pro version. Let me guide you how to do it step by step. First, simply go back to the plugin section and click on Upgrade Pro. Then here, on clicking this WDesign Kit logo, its pricing page will open up. Now, once you have reviewed all the plan's details and benefits, select the plan that suits your professional needs. After you've made a purchase, you will get the options to download the plugin as well as copy the Pro key from the checkout page only. In case you have skipped it, you can also get it from Posimith Store's dashboard. Simply head on to store.posimith.com/dashboard. And here it is, our Pro WDesign Kit's activation key. Now it's time to activate the upgraded version, so let's revert to the WDesign Kit's website. Scroll up a bit, then hover over your PFP. Then go to Manage License and simply paste your key in this input field. That's done. Your subscription is now successfully activated. Let me now get back to the WP backend and download the star widget of today's tutorial, that is Text Halftone Effects, by simply clicking on this download icon. After that, we will also make sure that it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. Now, on opening the Elementor editor, here's the basic page design where I have already imported the widget. If you want to do the same, simply come here in the Widgets panel and search Text Halftone. Then drag and drop it inside the workspace. For now, let's just select the widget from the navigator, and under the Content tab in here, you will get to see these two main customization options. Let's go through them one by one. Starting with the Content tab, this is where you set up the main text you want to display. Using title, simply enter the text that you want to transform. Next, if you need to make the text clickable, there is also a URL field where you can add a link to direct your visitors when they click on it. Let me tell you that this feature is great for buttons or headings that we want to make interactive. That's it, pretty basic. Let's now move ahead, close this Content tab and switch to Extra tab, where we can really start enhancing the look. Here, you will find Stroke, which basically adds an outline around your text. After that, here's Texture, which is great for adding a textured overlay. Please note that when you are using texture, it's best to set the fill color to transparent like this, so the texture shows through. Alright, since I'm already inside the layers option now, let's quickly go over the rest of the settings here. Fill color lets you add a solid color to the text itself. Next is gradient fill color, perfect for adding a gradient overlay. I'll just recommend to play around with the colors to find that perfect look that fits your design best. Moving on to stroke color and width here lets you control the outlines color and thickness, making it more subtle or bold depending on the look you want. You can see the changes on the screen as I am fiddling around with these settings. And finally, there is top offset and left offset, which will let us shift the text's position vertically and horizontally. Let me tell you that these offsets are super handy if you are layering effects and want precise alignment. Saying that, you can notice now that we have clearly reached the finish line. All the customization options are covered. Now, it's time for me to go ahead, click on update and give you the final view. Now don't forget to explore other amazing features WDesign Kit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget Builder using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and bricks. Using WDesign Kit Page Builder Converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the Power WordPress users who create multiple websites, WDesign Kit also comes with its cloud workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but WDesign Kit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. So that was it. Thanks for watching this video till the very end. I hope you have enjoyed it and have learned something new today. Now, if you are curious, be sure to check out our next tutorial video where I will show you how to give your text even more creative flair with the gradient stroke text widget from WDesign Kit's free plan. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on so that you don't miss any of such amazing videos we keep on adding inside our WDesign Kit playlist every week. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and exploring.